friend, I'm here to save the day. That's right, I'm talking about the power of artificial intelligence in the film industry and how it can transform your career faster than you can say Oscar worthy.
What's up, my Diversity in Cinema Academy fam? I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an aspiring filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. Now, are you a movie producer trying to make your mark in the industry? Well, I got some exciting news for you. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is shaking things up in the movie industry, and you can use it to your advantage. Now, in this video, I'm going to share how AI can help streamline the development phase of movie production, save you time, cut costs, and help increase your chances of success. So let's get into it. First up, we have script analysis and optimization. Very, very important. AI can analyze your script and provide insights on how to optimize it for maximum impact. By analyzing dialogue, character development, and plot structure, AI can provide suggestions on how to improve the script and make it more engaging for audiences. So I want you to imagine that you're trying to produce an action film. You've just completed your script, but you're not sure if it's financially viable. So you can use Scriptbook to analyze the screenplay and predict its success based on factors such as genre, themes, and audience preferences. This can save you time and money by identifying potential issues before even filming begins. That's pretty cool, right? Well, let's look at another exciting tool. Have you ever seen a movie where the casting choices didn't make any sense at all, or you just didn't understand the characters' motivations? Well, don't worry, that doesn't have to be the fate of your film. AI can help with casting and character development too. Let's say you're struggling to cast your movie's main character. You have a few choices in mind, but you're not sure which one would resonate with your audience, okay? Well, AI-powered casting tools use data analysis techniques to suggest suitable actors for a particular role by analyzing a wide range of factors. This includes factors such as the actor's age, ethnicity, physical characteristics, previous roles, and acting style. The software also analyzes audience preferences and demographics to suggest actors and actresses who are likely to resonate with that target audience. An AI software called Synthesia uses AI to create realistic digital avatars of actors, allowing producers to test different casting choices and visualize scenes before filming begins. Now, this tool can help movie producers make more informed casting decisions and create movies that are more likely to be successful at the box office. That's our bottom line, y'all, okay? Next up is location scouting and set design. Locations in a movie are like supporting characters in a story. Just as a well-written character can add depth and dimension to a plot, a well-chosen location can do the same. The right location can set the mood, enhance the story, and create a world that the audience can believe in. It's like a puzzle piece that fits perfectly into the larger picture, completing the overall image. On the other hand, choosing the wrong location can disrupt the flow of the story and create a sense of disconnection between the characters and the environment they inhabit, just like a mismatched outfit that ruins the overall look. Therefore, choosing the right location is crucial to ensuring that the audience is fully immersed in the world of the movie and feels like they are a part of the story. So AI can help you make sure that you don't make that misstep by analyzing data on the target audience and their preferences, enabling it to suggest locations and set designs that are more likely to resonate with the viewers. Let's say you're making a period drama set in the 1920s and you need to find the perfect location to bring your vision to life. Veracity AI can analyze images and provide insights into factors such as lighting, acoustics, and accessibility, allowing you to make informed decisions about potential locations. This AI platform uses computer vision and machine learning to analyze images and provide detailed information about potential locations. By leveraging Veracity AI, movie producers can save time and money by reducing the need for extensive location scouting and set design revisions. Okay, so if you're finding any value in anything I have shared with you so far in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now, let's dive into these last 3 AI tools. Another exciting way AI can help movie producers is through storyboarding. Storyboarding is another critical aspect of pre-production. Creating a visual plan for a movie scene is essential for capturing the director's vision and communicating it to the rest of the crew. Shot Designer is an AI-powered software that helps movie producers visualize scenes and plan shots before filming even begins. The software allows users to create 3D models of sets and characters, enabling them to experiment with different camera angles and movements. This helps in creating an efficient shooting schedule, saving both time and money. Now, speaking of money, are you worried about going over budget or not meeting your filming schedule? Well, fear not, because AI can help with that too. AI algorithms can help movie producers create realistic budgets and schedules based on a range of factors such as shooting locations, casting crew availability, and weather conditions. AI to analyze data and create detailed production budgets that take into account various factors such as labor costs, equipment rental fees, and post-production expenses. Last but not least, we have predictive analytics for box office success. Predictive analytics for box office success is another exciting way that movie producers can use AI in the development phase. Google Cloud AI platform can provide predictive analytics for box office receipts by analyzing large amounts of historical movie data to identify patterns and trends. This platform uses machine learning algorithms to predict the potential box office revenue of a movie based on factors such as release date, genre, cast, crew, budget, and marketing spend. Imagine you're developing a low-budget drama film. You're unsure if the movie would do well in the box office, and you are worried about investing too much money into it. This is where Google Cloud AI platform can help. Using predictive analytics for the box office, the platform can analyze historical box office data of similar indie films and provide insights on how your film might perform. It can also suggest marketing strategies to help maximize your movie's potential success. This can help you make data-driven decisions, reduce the risk of financial loss, and increase the chances of your film's success. Now, my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business, also provides guidance on how to develop a marketing plan and distribution strategy by conducting market research, creating a marketing and comparable analysis, and developing a release strategy. The course comes with templates, worksheets, spreadsheets, and so much more to help simplify your movie development journey. I'll leave a link below. Now, AI is changing the way movie producers approach movie production. In development, AI can be used to analyze and optimize scripts, suggest casting choices and character development, aid in location scouting and set design, help create efficient shooting schedules and realistic budgets, and even predict box office success. By leveraging AI, movie producers can streamline the movie making process, save time and money, and create movies that are more likely to succeed at the box office. That's what it's all about, okay? If you want to learn more about what the producer does, check out this video. Oh, and please let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part of this video. Then I'll see you in the next video.